Hi, I'm Dan Sinnott. This is Ava, my assistant. And today's Fix-It Challenge, we're going to fix a sticky latch. Look at that. So what I think I'm going to do today, I'm going to take the handle apart. It looks like whoever installed this didn't make sure the inside diameter was the correct size when he put that in, replaced it. So what I'm going to do today is take this apart, pull that all out, take a Forstner bit, drill that a little bit bigger, put it all back together. It should take less than 5 minutes, I hope. See, look at that. There's a little crack right there. I think should have drilled that out a little bit better, but when you're impatient, sometimes that happens. I really jammed her in there good. There we go. Let's see. Seems to work pretty good now. Forstner bits, they're flat, so they'll, I hope, ride right in there real well. Oh! Oh wow, it slides right in there now, like butter. Like butter! Boo! Let's give her a test run, what do you think? Oh! Like butter. Well, there you have it. You gotta let sticky latch. Make sure that hole's big enough for the cylinder you got going in there. See you later. Say bye, Ava. Well, you want to show them? Show them how the door works. Oh! What? Look, it works! Push it with one finger.